In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the output language settings in NotebookLM. This is an essential skill if you're working with this versatile tool and want to tailor the generated content, like chat responses, audio overviews, and reports, to the language that suits your needs best. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to navigate through NotebookLM and select your preferred language from a vast array of options. Let's begin by opening NotebookLM on your computer. Once you have it up and running, locate the settings icon. You'll find this conveniently positioned in the top right corner of your screen. It's the icon that resembles a small cogwheel. Clicking on it will open a whole host of settings that you can adjust to better fit your preferences. Next, you'll want to look for the option labeled Output Language. This is where you'll be able to make impactful changes to how NotebookLM operates linguistically. Once you click on Output Language, you will see a list of languages that are supported by NotebookLM. The tool is quite robust, accommodating more than 80 different languages. Whether you are fluent in Filipino, English, Spanish, French, Hindi, or Chinese, or perhaps you need to work in one of the other languages available, there's a good chance you'll find what you need here. Browse through this extensive list until you spot the language you prefer. Once you've found it, simply select it. Your selection here determines the language used for all the generated content, making it an incredibly powerful feature for those who communicate or create content in multiple languages. It's worth taking a moment to appreciate just how much this can transform your everyday use of NotebookLM. Remember, adjusting the output language isn't just about convenience. It can significantly enhance your productivity, especially if you're collaborating with international teams or need to present content to a diverse audience. A seamless language adjustment can save you countless hours that would otherwise be spent on translation or miscommunications. If you experiment with a language and decide it's not quite right, don't worry. You can always return to the settings menu and select a new language. This feature's flexibility ensures that you are never locked into a choice that may not suit your evolving needs. In summary, by following these steps, you'll be able to take full advantage of NotebookLM's multilingual capabilities. Whether for personal work or professional projects, having content in your chosen language can make all the difference. Thank you for watching, and happy creating with NotebookLM.